Hi guys, and today we're reviewing and unboxing a McDonald's Happy Meal toy. Hope you enjoy. Last up, need to open the package, and we've got a burger, a card with how to make a burger, 4 cardboard paper sauces, a gherkin, and a bowl of salad and a bottle of milk. Here I am just constructing the burger. And putting all the things. Ooh, and what's this? This is a printing machine which the colour inside the printing machine is red and looks like tomato sauce. Put your card things on underneath the printing machine, squeeze the red, and it will come out like this. Now put your freshly printed sauces inside your burger, and voila, you have your burger and your burger McDonald's takeaway. And this is the end of the. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Please. Thank you.